guys, hi, Akash Sharma here from RAVAN Screener Indicator, right? We are a part of Traders Guide Live, right? So today we'll discuss regarding our new modifications of the indicator latest version of RAVAN Screener. In that we'll discuss each and every features what we have updated, what features you will be getting. You can take it as an introduction video, and after that I will be creating each and every strategy which you can develop on using this indicator. We'll create step-by-step video on the same. Okay, so this is the screen you will be getting once you apply the RAVAN Screener indicator. Let me remove this indicator and start from the scratch, so at least you can also understand how to apply the indicator. So whenever you I provide you the access, right, I will ask for a username, right? So please make sure you go to the, like, if in mobile you can go to the menu section, and if you are on the desktop or laptop you can go to the upper left corner. You can see here, right, on the mouse cursor, and this is my username, unsigned byte 89. This is my username. Your username will be different. You have to share me this username. On the basis of that only I can share you the lifetime access. Okay, so now let's remove this indicator. Let's see, like, I'm just removing this indicator from the chart. Before applying my indicator on your chart, make sure you clear your chart. If you do not have, like, you do not get any settings, how, if you do not know how to remove the chart, you can go to this delete option, click on this, and you will find here remove indicator, right? Remove zero indicator means it's not, none of the indicator is applied on the chart. If anyone is applied, it will be removed from by clicking on this indicator. Okay, this point. Okay, so after that you have to go to the indicator section, right? And then you will find, after I'll be giving access, you will find this option, invite only option, right? In invite only option I'll be sharing this indicator, right? If you are purchasing RAVAN Screener indicator, you will get 1 and 2 RAVAN Screener, RAVAN 2.0 screener, and TG-ADX 2.0. If you are purchasing 40 alerts indicator based on this indicator, you will getting this indicator, okay, as access. Okay, so today we'll discuss regarding this indicator. So RAVAN Screener and TG-ADX 2.0 will be applying on the chart. You have to click here. Once you click, single click here, it will be automatically apply on the chart. Okay, fine. So you can see this is the default settings. Default, you will be getting this these green lines. You can see this red line. This is support resistance lines. This is the small dashboard which you can see. This is based on EMA 21 EMA. You can fully customize. We'll discuss in earlier video, right? Fine. So this is the default settings you will be getting as a RAVAN Screener indicator, right? Let's discuss what features you will be getting in the settings part. I'm just going to the settings. You can see here, this is the settings, updated, new updated settings, right? First option, you can see here, show pivot points daily or weekly. So if you want to, if you are working on the basis of pivot points, you can just activate it, right? Once you activate it, it will provide you the pivot points with support resistance levels, right? You can see here, this is the pivot center, and these are the resistance level. Let me zoom in the chart. You can see here, this is the pivot point center, yellow line, and let me hide this indicator. This is the support resistance which I'm hiding. You can see after the chart will be clear to view. You can see here, this is the pivot point center, and this is the resistance part 1, 2 and 3, and this is the support part 1, 2 and 1 will be below this 3, right? So those who are working on pivot points, you can use this indicator. Okay, and just once you check mark, it will be applied on the chart, and once you uncheck, it will be removed from the chart. Okay, so next feature which we have added is super trend. If it depends, it's not compulsory that you have to use the super trend. It's based on 5 ATR, right? We have kept this 5 ATR. You can customize as per your requirement. 5 ATR, you can see, if you heard of many indicators, they are using super trend for confirming the trades, right? So that's the reason, due to my customer requirement, I have added this super trend longer time, longer ATR, because you can just confirm the trade whether you are in a sell position, buy position, to just cross check confirmation of the trade. Okay, so depends on you. If you want to use, you can use on the chart, else you can just default, it will be hidden. Okay, so these are the ATR settings. You will see the show table option. The show table option will come on the chart, it will show you this indicator also has the, 7 alerts, strategy alerts option. The what strategy alerts you will be getting, you can see here on the chart. This is Nifty, Bank Nifty, Nifty, SBI, HCL Tech, ICICI, Reliance, and Tata Steel. These are the asset, customized asset you can add on the, chart, and you can receive up to 7 alerts. You well, like it's fully customizable. We'll discuss in below video. I'll show you on the chart, but this is just for the alert option, right? If you are setting the alert, there is no need to keep this on the chart. You can see here HCL Tech is going buy signal just came now. Once the signal is confirmed, next candle opening, you will get an alert of for this HCL Tech. We'll see if you get the alert over here. Okay. Next, I do not recommend to keep it on the chart. Make sure you keep your chart clear. Okay. Next feature you will see here, VWAP option. You can see VWAP. Once you click on the VWAP option, you will get VWAP based on color combination red and green on the chart. So if you are working on the VWAP, many of people of knows that below VWAP you have to go for a sell signal, and above VWAP you have to go for a buy signal, right? So this is for trend confirmation. Those who want to work with VWAP, just they can just activate and use this feature. Okay. Next feature we have added is auto trade lines, right? Once you click on the auto trade lines option, the auto trade lines will be come on the chart. It will be plotted on the chart. You can see this is the resistance, red line is the resistance, and this green line is acting as a support. You can see here it's forming a channel, right? This specific auto trade lines will help you what specific trend is going on. It will just show you the confirmation, like it's making a rising wedge, it's making a declining wedge, right? Based on chart patterns, it will show the auto trade lines what exactly. So those who are price action traders, that will be, very helpful tool to keep activate the auto trade lines option on the chart. Okay, so it will be automatically plotted. It will be automatically make the resistance and support zones. Okay, and apply on the chart. Next feature we have added is CPR option, right? Many people use CPR for, trend confirmation for, very high breakout strategy, CPR breakout strategy. Many people are working on that. So how exactly the CPR works, we'll discuss in one strategy video, but let me explain you. You can see this wide CPR. These are the CPR lines 1, 2, and 3. This is the center pivot, and these are the CPR zones, right? If there is a, candle in between this CPR, wide CPR zone, you will see market will be wall sideways, right? And after once the CPR is broke, you can see here it's forming some narrow CPR, right? Once the CPR has a zone has been break, you can see the market move, right? Even you can see current day, it's live market only, guys. Many people say work on the live market. It's live market only. You can see the buy signal has formed, and the narrow CPR has formed, right? Once you get a retesting over here, you can go for a long, I mean it's go for a long signal. Why? Because, like, CPR act as a support, right? If it's making the support over here, if it's breaking this CPR zone, you can go for a short signal. If for once the higher CPR is break, you can go for a long, and once the lower CPR is break, you can go for a short. Let me show if okay, this is the best example. You can see the narrow CPR here. The narrow CPR, once the narrow CPR is break, the signal has gone very powerfully. You can see what the biggest move it has recovered, gone gains, right? So this is the CPR feature. You can activate it and use it as per your, requirement. I will make a dedicated video on the CPR, VWAP, and each and every features, so it will help you to, work on the same. Sorry, guys. Actually, I'm yawning as I was, having like too much work at night, so I was wake upping at late night. So next feature, it's a show EMA option. Once you click on show EMA, we have keep the customization of the show EMA 7, 21, and 50 EMA option, right? So it depends on you. You can activate each of all of them, or if you want to use only one EMA, you can activate one EMA. Once you click on the show EMA, it will show all three, and if you want any one EMA, right? So you have to go for the style section. You can see here EMA 1, 2 and 3, right? EMA 1 will show you 7, EMA 2 will be indicate 21, and EMA 3 will be indicating 50, right? So I mainly recommend to keep EMA 3, that is 50 EMA, that for trend confirmation. You can see how exactly the signals are confirmed, right? So I mainly recommend this. After all, it depends on you and your requirement. And here you can see that there is a customization color option. If you want to keep this line color changing, once you click here, you can change the color also, right? Once you click this, the color will be changed over here. See, you can see the color. Okay, so it's fully customizable. It's as per your need. You can customize it accordingly. Next feature, we have added this ADX, DI plus and DI minus, and this RSI, right? What this RSI feature indicate is, once you click on this RSI zone, right? This for my specific indicator is, based on condition based. So I will explain you the condition of the RSI, what we use for specific trading purpose. Okay, once I click on this RSI, I'll be getting the confirmation of the trades. You can see here, these are the RSI confirmation trades, yellow color, right? The color will be changed whenever the condition is matching. What this yellow color indicates, right? So this is this below indicator is a secondary indicator I mainly use for the confirming the trade. That is RSI and ADX combination, right? That I mainly use for trend confirmation. The gray zone which you are looking here, that is the sideways market zone, right? You can see here the sideways market, this whole sideways market, right? The gray area indicate the sideways market. I have kept the white candles, right? Whenever the blue line is in between this gray zone, the candle will be white. Okay, once you can see here, the long signal has confirmed RSI condition is matching. It's above 40, above 60, sorry. RSI is above 60. That confirm the RSI condition, and the color of the signal will be yellow. You can see here also the color is yellow, right? Here you can see the short signal, but RSI is not confirming. For short signal, you have to always look for RSI is below 40, right? 40 or 45. It's not below 45, so the signal is noise, so it will be automatically removed from the chart, right? So this is the confirming trade. You can see here also the RSI is confirmed, it's below 40, sell signal is confirmed, right? Here even the ADX as well. So let me explain you this secondary indicator, else you have to wait. Let's understand. This is the RSI. I hope this RSI condition is matched, is understood by you how exactly it works. If RSI is above 60, you have to go for a long signal. If RSI is below 40 or 45, you have to go for a short signal. For long, you can consider 55 45, sorry, 55 60. Above 55 or above 60, you can go for a long, and below 45 or 40, you can go for a short. Okay, I hope the RSI condition is specific, clear. Now let's discuss DI plus DA minus, right? So I'm just activating here DI plus and DI minus. So what that exactly indicates, let's discuss. Okay, so here you can see this, once you activate the DI plus DI minus, the signal will be shorted, and you can get the sorted signals, condition based, condition match based signals. You can see here, even here as well, last signal, right? So what is this DI minus and DI plus, how exactly it acts, let's discuss. So here you can see this red line that indicates DI minus, directional index minus, and this the green line that indicates DI plus. DI plus indicate the positive movement, buy movement, and this DI minus indicate the sell movement. Okay, so this is the DI plus DI minus. So what is the condition? Let's understand exactly what is the condition for trending market, sideways market, and sell signal. Okay, so whenever you get this blue color, right, that indicates that ADX is matching. What is the ADX? This long, we can see the buy momentum. Buy momentum indicates the DI plus, we have to always look for buy signal when the DI plus is above this 20 line. You can see this dotted line, that is 20, right? We have to look for the DI plus, it should be above 20, right? Once it will be above 20, the buy signal confirmation is done. Okay, after that what you have to look for, you can see here buy signal has confirmed. And next is you have to look for the DI minus should be below 20. That means the sell confirmation should be 0. Once you see the DI minus below this 20 line, that means the sell confirmation is over, right? There is no any sell momentum. The only buy momentum is going on. That means the DI plus is above 20. That indicates only buy momentum will be there. Same you can see here. Here also it's a confirmation of the short movement, right? So DI minus is above this 20 level and DI plus is below 20 level. That indicates that DI minus means sell momentum is there, buy momentum has been over. Okay, so this is the confirmation for short signal, sell signal. Okay, now let's understand the sideways market. When will be the sideways market? RSI, you already know the gray zone in between, whenever the blue line is between the gray zone, it will be sideways market, you already know, right? So now let's discuss. You can see the HCL has given the signal here. Okay, I already told means in the video earlier. So what is the condition for sideways market? See, if the DI plus and DI minus is below 20 level, if DI plus and DI minus will be below 20 level or above the 20 level, you can see here the above 20 level, below 20 level, that indicates market is sideways. You can see here as well, right? This DI plus and DI minus both are above 20. Above 20, that indicates the market is range bound, right? You can see here as well, market is range bound. Let me show you next example over here. You can see here the market is range bound, whole market is range bound. So there are three conditions. Let me explain right over here itself, so at least you can know. Color should be white, so at least you can also note down the points, guys. ADX, let's understand RSI. If RSI greater than 55 or 60, look for long. If RSI less than 45 or 40, this is the RSI condition, right? This is, I mainly recommend this as a based condition for RSI. And if RSI line between 55 or 60 and 45 or 55, then sideways. Okay, I hope it's clear. So whenever the RSI line is between 50-60 zone, then it will be, market will be sideways. Just a second, let me refresh the page. See guys, video is long, but it will be easy to understand you and clear your doubts. So if you face any problem, you can call me on the below number. I will come on the desk and explain you your doubts. Okay, so guys, you can see here what we have written. Okay, now see, you can see here, the if the RSI is on in between 60-40, you can see the market is sideways on the chart as well. Okay, so now let's discuss for ADX. If DI plus ABOVE 20 and DI minus DLO 20, you can sell at say 19. Buy signal confirmation, right? For buy signal confirmation, look for, the DI plus should be above 20 and DI minus should be above below 19. Similar for sell signal, DI plus should be below 20 and DI minus should be above 19, means above 20, I can say, sorry. It's fine, you can take 2019, it's as per your requirement, baki it will work, don't worry. So this is the this DI plus, if it's above 20, you can go for a buy confirmation. You can see here the DI plus on the chart, DI plus is above 20 and DI minus is below 20. You got a blue signal. Okay, right? So this is the confirmation signal. Fine. And now let's discuss the sideways zones. There are three conditions for sideways, so let's discuss that. If DI plus and DI minus above, or there are two conditions I'm mentioning in the same part. If DI plus and DI minus is above or below 20 level, it's sideways. Okay, so I hope it's understood. Let's discuss. It's not over yet. It's too long, and let me show you first clear this chart. So at least you can note it down. Let me show the example of this. You can see here the sideways market, that is DI plus and DI minus is below 20 level. So this condition is confirmed. Right now, another condition, this is the one condition. Two condition is I have mentioned over here, DI plus DI minus. If it's above or below, it will be sideways market. Next is if DI plus or DI minus moving PARRA parallel to 20 level. If DI plus and DI minus is moving parallel to 20 level, that also indicate sideways. Guys, please note it down, these points for sideways market, right? So if DI plus or DI minus is above or below 20 level, then it will be sideways, as here I explained. If DI minus and DI plus moving parallel to 20 level, let me show you that as well. You can see here moving parallel, right? Here as well. So all the signals are shorted, and you will get the shorted signals only. Whenever you see the blue signal, that indicates that ADX condition has matched, DI plus DI minus condition is matched, but RSI condition has not matched. Sorry, RSI condition, you have to look for this as well. Okay, sorry for interruption. So now next, let's discuss the next feature. Okay, that is ADX, common ADX line, that is this yellow. This yellow line indicates the power in the specific trend, right? Whenever you see the yellow line above 20, it will give you power for either buy or either sell. Okay, guys. And whenever you see yellow line above and green line above, that indicates you sell momentum. right? Sorry, buy momentum. You can see I'm just activating this ADX, so at least you can come to know the what are the signals are confirming the ADX means with confirmation with ADX, right? You can see here the ADX confirmation. Yellow line is above 20, you will get the confirmation for long. You have to look for RSI. You can see RSI is above 55, then you can go ahead for the trade. Okay, same here. You can see here the long signal, right? The RSI is almost heading towards the 60 level, right? So you can go for a trade. Mainly our entry goes in the next candle opening. Okay, you can see here the ADX line, yellow line is above 20, so that indicates the trend is confirmation, right? Confirm the ADX power. You can see DA minus is above 20 and yellow line is also above 20, so you got the good signal. How many points you have captured you here? You can see here. Let's take example. If you entry here and go to the resistance part, it's 19 points. I mean 11 points, 11 or 12 points something. Okay, it's Indian chart. You can apply my indicator in each and every market, either in forex, either in crypto, commodity, even in stock market, even in index on options as well. Okay, so I hope you have understood this ADX, RSI and DA plus DA minus conditions. I'll come up with this specific video in the next session, upcoming videos, new videos. So now let's discuss regarding these symbols, right? This is mainly helpful for setting the alerts, right? I have already explained you. You can set 7 alerts using this indicator, right? So you can fully customize it. This is my default value which I've added. You can customize it by using this pencil icon. Once you click on this pencil icon, you can add here, it's bank nifty as default. You can add here index, commodity, crypto, forex, even options, but options should be in the specific expiry date. But I mainly recommend you add here stocks, crypto, forex, commodity, right, and indexes over here. So at least you can get on time, signals. Okay, so these are the default. You can, once you, if you want to edit as per your requirement, you can edit it as per your requirement as well. Right, I do have that 40 list as I discussed in earlier in this video. 40 list indicator that will also give you this 40 list. You can customize it as per your need, and you can set the alert for the same. We'll discuss alert as well in the upcoming coming video. Now let's discuss next feature. You can see here the sensitivity part, right? So if you are working on the scalping basis, the default, make sure you keep the 3. So if you are want some longer signals, you can increase it to 6 maximum. Once you increase this to maximum 6, the signal will be altered. You will get delay signals, but the noise will be removed. You can see here the signals will be longer and the noise will be removed. Okay, so it depends on you. You can adjust it as per you. If you are working on scalping, you can adjust to 3 default, that is as default. And if you're working, if you want to work for swing trading or something, you can adjust your sensitivity to 6, right? And this is the stop loss percentage. You can see here the stop loss percentage. Currently it's at 0.5, right? You can adjust as per your requirement. If you're working on options, you have to increase. If you're working on forex, you have to increase it to 1 or 2. Once you click this one, it will automatically adjust 1:1 levels for the same. You can see it will be automatically adjusted. You can see here, right? So default it's 0.5. Okay, now let's discuss next. Next is you can see here ADX screener that I mainly do not recommend, but it depends on you. So those who do not want to use this below indicator, they can activate this RSI DA plus DA minus and ADX on this chart itself. And I mainly recommend lines that will be easier to understand the trend, whether it's up or down, right? But depends on you. If you want to use this screener table, then you can activate and use it as per your need. Okay, now next is show previous day high, low and close, right? So this specific feature will show you previous day high. You can see here, this is the high, yellow line. This was the high, previous day high. It will show you this previous day low. This was the previous day low. and this was the previous day close when the market closes. Okay, so these are the three lines. When the market high means previous day high, previous day low, and previous day close. So you can use it as per your requirement. So those are price action traders, right? They mainly use this previous day high low feature. They can activate and use it, applied it on the chart. Okay, now next feature, you can see the show dashboard feature. Maybe it's small, so maybe you can't see this dashboard. This is the dashboard where you can see the bullish and bearish signals over here, right? It is also showing you the current volume for the specific stock or asset, whatever you select on the chart, and it shows you multi time frame report based on, currently I've set it to 21 EMA. You can see on the chart here. So if you want to customize it for swing trading, you can adjust it to 50. If you want for intraday, it's 21 is enough. So what this actually the table indicates that if the candle is above 21 EMA, it will show you bullish. If the candle is above 21 EMA on 1 hour time frame, it will show you bullish. Here you can see it has changed. If the candle is below 21 EMA now, so it's showing bearish. So it will show the updated data over here, what exactly the market is scenario is, right? Whenever you find 80% bullish or 80% bearish, you can act accordingly for your trade. If you are looking for a buy signal, currently it's buy signal, right? You can see, and current position you can see here buy, right? If you see here like it's showing 80% of the bullish signal, then you can go for a long signal. Okay, you can go for a long signal. Upper resistance will be your target. Okay, so you can use it accordingly. And even if you want to customize this EMA feature, whatever this 21 EMA, you can adjust from here. Okay, next is show TP, stop loss and target. So if you do not want this target and stop loss, you can click here. It will be automatically removed from the chart, right? If you want to use, you can keep it on the chart. See, mainly guys, I recommend for entering, you can use this entry level, fine. I'm okay with that. For stop loss, you can either go with swing low, and you can also use this stop loss level, but I mainly recommend swing low. Okay, and next for target, I mainly recommend support resistance levels, not exactly this TP1, TP2 and TP3. This TP1, TP2, TP3 is based on 1:1 ratio. That does not know the current market scenario, nothing. But you can adjust this support resistance based on exit. For exiting the trade, you can use this resistance level. You can see here you also getting the support levels too. Okay, so you can use it accordingly as per your need. Now mostly it's over. The support resistance, which I have already discussed, the red line is the support resistance and the green lines are the support. Okay, so this you have to use it for exiting the trade, mainly that I recommend. So mostly all the features has been explained here. There are additional requirement. If you do not use some of the feature, you can deactivate from here and apply. Mostly a feature I have discussed, that is default inactive. If you want to use specific feature, you have to check mark on the specific trade, and then you can activate the feature. Okay, now let's discuss for the alert part, how you can set the alert for RAVAN screener indicator. Okay, for setting the alert, you have to go to this screener settings. Here you will see the three dots, right? You have to click on these three dots. You will find the first option, set add alert on RAVAN screener. Once you click the first option, you will get this window. Here what you have to do, you have to, as you are working using a free TradingView account, right? So you have to set the expiration date for specific setting the alerts, right? This specific demo video I'm creating on this free account only. So I have already created this alert, you can see, for 40 alerts indicator, but I have already created the alert. So what you have to do, you have to set the expiration date. Once you click here, you will come to know, like adjust this expiration date. It's default July 24. You can adjust it to next month as well, till 2024 August 2024, right? Once you set, you can click on this set, Make sure you set the expiration date, that is must for free trading view account. Default it will be in some cases current date as well. So once you set the alert, if you use for same day and next day the alert will be expired. So this indicates like the alert which you're setting for this specific indicator will last till 24 August 2024. Okay, once this date is over, the alert will expire. You after that you have to create a new alert as you are work using free trading view account. And what this alert will give, it will give the whole 7 alerts, strategy alerts means once the alert come long signal, you will get alert for next candle opening, right? So for what your asset you have updated, for 7 asset you have updated. Okay, so you can see here these are the alerts which I have created for this indicator, using this indicator. So how to read this alert? So you can see buy go triggered for NSE Glenmark. So this alert is for Glenmark. Buy signal has been triggered for same, right? Next you can see sell go triggered for Bharti Airtel, sell go triggered for Kolpal, means sell signal has triggered. This is also sell signal, this is also sell signal. This is buy go triggered for HCL, the buy signal has triggered at 10:40 for HCL Tech. You can see next is Dabur, Bank India. Even you can see the, let me show you any Nifty or index. You can see GRT USDT, it's forex. Okay, so it working on each and every market, right? It depends on you which market you are working. You can adjust your asset as per your need. Okay, and once you create this option, the alert will set it and create it. And make sure you, whatever time frame you select, the alert will set on basis of that time frame only. So if you are working on 1 hour time frame, if you are swing trader, click on 1 hour, 4 hour, whatever as per your requirement, and create the alert accordingly. So the alert will be based on 1 hour time frame only, right? If you set 5 minute, तो 5 minute के हिसाब से means at basis of 5 minute whatever the alert will become, it will come accordingly on the basis of 5 minute time frame only. Okay, once you create the like alert will be set. Okay, fine. I have discussed each and everything of my indicator. Still, if you have any doubt, let's discuss now the my base strategy which I recommend actually using this indicator, right? So what are my base settings? I mainly use show EMA option, right? In that, one of my favorite is 50 EMA, right? This is the 50 EMA which I mainly recommend. Raised feature are, it's fine. I do not use the raised feature. If you want to use auto cleanse, you can use it out. Now how to use this specific indicator manually, right? So once you get a long signal, you can indicate as a buy signal. Once you get a buy signal, right, what you have to look for, make sure the candle is above 50 EMA. You can see here, if the candle is above 50 EMA, that is a first confirmation. Next confirmation you have to look for is this multi-trend dashboard. Look that if this multiple dashboard is showing you 80% bullish, the second confirmation. Third confirmation is look for the RSI, it's above 60, third confirmation. Now fourth confirmation, look for the DI plus and ADX. DI plus is above 20 level, fifth confirmation, and ADX line, yellow line, is above 20 level, sixth confirmation. So guys, you can see here total 6 confirmation you are getting for specific trade entry, right? You can trade very confidently using my indicator. And still, if you have any confusion using this indicator, I'll be here to support you and guide you wherever you are stuck. Okay, so how to identify the noise using this specific indicator, let's discuss. Okay, you can see here the buy signal got reversal. Why? You can see the buy signal got, it's above 50 my for EMA, first confirmation. Next confirmation, you can see the RSI, it's not confirmed yet, it's around 57. Same ADX, you can see it's above 20. DI minus and DI plus both are above 20. That indicates market is sideways. Confirmation is not yet done, so you do not have to entry in specific trades. Right now, let's take example of this noise, this sell signal. Right, you can see the sell signal is above 50 EMA. You have to look for sell signal below 50 EMA, not above 50 EMA. That is, the signal confirmation is not there. For sell signal, RSI should be below 40 or 45. It's not there. Right, for sell signal, the RSI, the DI minus should be above 20 and DI plus should be below 20. It's not there. Right, so there is no confirmation for this short signal, so you have to avoid this signal. Okay, so signal will be automatically get cancelled, and you can work very easily and smoothly using our indicator and capture the good points. Okay, so this is my favorite strategy with which I use specifically for my crypto portfolio, as well as I sometimes create a live. This is on live market only. You can see the next candle will be also open. The alert which has set are also on the live market. You can see the sell go trigger for ITC, sell go trigger for bail. Right, so my indicator works on each and every market, each and every time frame. Right, it's non-repainted indicator. Right, a video got too long, but if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, and if you like my research, make sure you like my video and share with your friends. Right, I really work hard for making the confirmation multi confirmation indicator. Right, in this specific indicator you can make almost 6 to 7 different strategies for entering and exiting the trades. I will come up with different strategy videos once I get free. Mostly in a week time I will come up with the new videos, strategy video, strategy 1, strategy 2, strategy 3, strategy 7. Okay, so I hope it's clear. Still, if you have any confusion, you can call me on my direct number. I'm here to guide you each and everything. Thanks for your time, and again, thank you. Fine, bye.